Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x is equal to 256 raised to the power of minus x. Now, what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0 and that x is greater than 0? So let's provide a solution from here. Now, we have x is equal to 256 raised to the power minus x. 256 raised to the power minus x. This is in the form of a to the power of minus n, which we can express as 1 over a to the power of n. So let's apply this property from here, so that now here we'll have x is equal to 1 over 256 raised to the power of x. So the next step from here, let's multiply both signs by 256 raised to the power of x, and also here by 256 raised to the power of x. So let's simplify here, so that now we have 256 raised to the power of x times x. This is equal to 1. Now, the next step from here, let's divide both signs by x, so that now here we have 256 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 1 over x. Now, the next step from here, let's eliminate this power of x here by multiplying both signs by 1 over x. So we have 256 raised to the power of x. Now, raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. Let's simplify here. X and x simplifies, so that now here we have 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to 256 from here. So now we have that we can express 256 as 2 to the power of 8. So this implies that here 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x from here, this is equal to, this is 2 to the power of 8 from here. And we have that from here that the base here is equal to the exponent. And therefore, this also implies that 256 is the same thing as 4 to the power of 4. Remember, the base here is equal to the exponent. So we have to ensure also on the right hand side, the base is equal to the exponent. So we have 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to the 4 raised to the power of 4. So if you compare here, 1 over x and the power here, 1 over x is the same. On the right hand side, 4 is the same as the power here. So this implies that 1 over x is equal to 4. And therefore, to solve for x here, 4 is our own number, so it's this over 1. If we cross multiply here, then we have 4x. This is equal to 1. So let's divide both signs by 4, here by 4. And this implies that x is equal to 1 over 4. So we have the value of x here as 1 over 4. The next step from here is to verify. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is 1 over 4, satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we have the equation as x is equal to 256 raised to the power of minus x. From here, let's substitute x, which is 1 over 4. This is equal to 256 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4. The next step from here, we can express 256 as 4 to the power of 4. So therefore here we have 1 over 4. This is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. then raised to the power minus 1 over 4. The next step is that if we have from here, if we have that a to the power of minus n, this can be expressed as 1 over a to the power of n. Let's apply this property from here, so that now here we have 1 over 4. This is equal to, now this is 4. This is the same thing as 1 over 4 to the power of 4, then raised to the power of 1 over 4. So that now here we can simplify 4 and 4. So that now on the left hand side we have 1 over 4, which is equal to on the right hand side, which is 1 over 4. And this actually implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x, which is 1 over 4, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.